What up, y'all? It's Faith and Strat. I showed the chart, some tickers for y'all for tomorrow. As you see with SPY, crazy outside day into the gap fill. ES told the story. Came back to my old levels I had on the chart. And to be honest, I see a lot more downside. Probably will push up a little to TTO back down. But I'm pretty much overall bearish on the market. One thing I'm bullish on is going to be gold. Gold still holding up, currently swinging next week in April on gold. So find your entry. Okay, at silver. Silver actually looks stronger than gold. Like it could have more upsides consolidating right now. So I'll wait for the break. It's actually a diamond pattern is forming. So I'll wait for that break, but that break on silver could be super explosive. Another one's going to be U.S. oil, the slow mover. We actually pulled back today, fell 2 up, so we could pull back a little, but I'm looking, and I think we can see like a 65 to 70 U.S. oil, in my opinion. So we hit a critical low. But the short list is going to be a lot bigger. We got pins. You know, got a pin bar, shooter candle. This will be a 2 up, 2 down. So 2 down below 27. You can take it to 26.96 and the gap fill, which is 26.79. Myrna, I'm waiting on it because I got in short yesterday, and I ended up stopping out off of this. But obviously, with the market, we tanked. So I have a lot more lows I'm looking for. To be honest, I see Myrna at 135. Pat, another one, turtle soup, ran the highs right there and lows, and we can take out these levels. So it's another 2-2, easy 2-2. US still moves with XLI, so that could be another one. You can continue down. Billy, I like this one. This was almost a 2. I think this was a 2-1-2. Yep, 2-1-2. So just look for a 2 down continuation. I watched China futures tonight. Futu, another super long reaching candle. XPEV, 2-1. So 2-1-2 day below 964. Or with the 4-hour entry would be the 970, which would still be technically this is a continuation, but this shooter candle is an actionable signal. So you could take the 970, and first target would be 947, and then we got the gap fill. Gap fill takes you to 919. It's a 5% drop. XPEV contracts are cheap too, so it's a major drop. So if the market drops, this shit's gonna flop. Chips, another one. Vidya, look at this 4-hour shooter, 2 down, 2 up. Volume imbalance, price is gonna like get vacuumed through that because it's like a magnet. So it's gonna turn the day major shooter. The day might actually, 2 up, and the next day, yeah, 2 down. Day's gonna just flush right past all of this. AMD, same thing. This was actually an inverted hammer. We'll look at the 4-hour, you can see right there, fell 2 up. So you can take the short below if it holds. Short below, and then you can aim. It's 93 low, 4-point drop. MU, I mean, look at that shit. That 4-hour should tell you everything you need to know. Outside 4, so that's a 3-2 continuation with a lot of pivots. I mean, you could be like one of the best ones tomorrow, to be honest. 2. I forgot the other one is TSM. I don't really trade TSM that much, but very clean. Let me add that to the list. Chips. 2 up, 2 down, target 90. Of course, that target's right above a gap fill, so that's another one. I'll completely flip the week, to be honest, if we hit all those targets. 89 is the weekly open. Yeah, we'll be very close to flipping the week. FinTech, Visa, I like this one. Hit the top of the BF. Magnitude is right there, but when you look, it's hitting multiple key zones and rejecting off this original gap. So touch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Every time it's gone below, it's pretty much rejected. So break above, come below, doesn't really come back. Only time it really came back. And this time it's rejecting. So it came back here, boom. So this is high, higher, low. I mean, lower, high, boom. So that one could be a good one. This was a lotto, 35 7 puts. It's an inside day break, but this shit moves. A lot of shit's been dropping like in a day, like 40%. So figure you could do another 40% or more, even if you do like 30% of yesterday. Doesn't sound like a lot, but for something to go from 13 to 7, that's like half the price. So that'd be a lot of 7. And this has like an ATR of $5, like 5, 12, $11. This shit's a piece of shit. It's gonna go to it's just gonna get the list. It's gonna be a penny stock. All these banks, most of them are gonna be like, they're gonna have to do something more drastic, in my opinion. They have to like really regulate, or like all these smaller banks, they're gonna get crushed because they're all the same bullshit. Like you can see, look at this giant volume imbalance. It should tell you there's no value in this level. Price didn't exist here, basically. So yeah, like it's done. Rivian's long swing, I'm still watching. Pull back, but still has a structure. Come back to this area, I'll probably buy again. For longs, that's a month, gonna be some months. You need some months on that one though. For Rivian. W, another one. Looking for a pullback. Don't know if it's gonna come to this gap or not, but if it comes down here, I'm definitely buying long. You know, when people are fearful, you gotta be greedy. So people are always like, oh, I can't keep missing up, but it's like a lot of you guys are buying the longs up here. It's like, why the fuck would you buy it up here? Then when it's coming back, we're like, buy. Yeah, they're like, oh, I'm too scared to buy it. It keeps going. What if it keeps dropping? It's like, dude, I don't know what to tell you guys. Like I told people, gold off the bottom here in the consolidation. Everybody was just quiet. Like it's a triple bottom now, guys. It's at a key zone below the week. This is last week's low. This is trapped. This is trapped volume. Understand? You guys got to understand the concept of volume being trapped, especially if we had any closes. I don't know if we had any closes. 11, 12, nope, no close. Almost, but this is midday AMs. Oh no, this is midnight. London opens. We come back to it. Like, guys, you're looking at 50 fucking X opportunity. This was a 20X trade before this bank shit. Remember, before the banks, when I got in around here, this shit took me to 2,300%. This move was a 10% move on the asset. I think we're going to go higher than we did this time. I think we're going to 2,300. That's a 16% move. You're going to be like 4,000, 5,000% returns. It's like 40 to 50x, 40 to 50x potential. But if you guys don't take the trades, if you guys don't get in positions, you don't find good positions, it's not going to do anything. We're looking at 40 to 50x potentials, and people are too scared. You got to grab your fucking balls, and you got to be ready to buy when price pulls back and not buy the breakout. Like, people were like, dude, everybody up here was like, is gold good? I'm like, I don't know, bro. Like, I made my money is this sideways. Like, what the fuck? This, come on, weeklies, bro. This is my monthly play, not a weekly play. It's gonna take some time. You know, but people do the same shit. I see why people don't make money in the market. You tell them it'll consolidate. It's consolidating up. It's breaking levels. This, you got to realize, this shit is like, this is like a train that is like, or a roller coaster. It's like gaining momentum. And it's like, hey guys, you should probably get in. This is a rocket ship. And then like it's boarding. Then it gives you the opportunity to get back in. And then that shit fucking takes off to fucking Mars. It's up here. And then people run out, oh yeah, is it too late to get in? Like, dude, this shit is on another planet now. This is another planet. It's another fucking planet. But you were being too fucking pussy down here to buy the damn shit. So I don't know what to tell you guys. Don't take the trade. You're not gonna make any money. You can lose, but I'd rather fucking sit in some consolidation and lose sideways and just stop myself out, or break. You know, it breaks and I can tell right away I'm wrong. As opposed to like up here, you're just gonna be waiting forever. Like, think about people who bought here and just dealt with all that pain. They consolidated on highs, then it dropped. Versus here, it just doesn't have much more downside. That's why I have these levels. Yeah, but if you can't grab your fucking balls to take the trade, it's not like, motherfuckers are going to literally a 50x. 50x. That's like, it's like 500 to like 25,000, 1,000 to 50,000. Like, motherfuckers are going to like literally change it like 10,000 to, I don't even know, like probably 500,000, I think. Life-changing trades. And there's going to be a lot of them too. Like, it's not like this is the only one. Yeah, that's a $500,000. 10,000 to $500,000. But you guys are too scared to grab your fucking balls. I don't know what to tell you. So, yeah, exactly. You guys are going to scalp the fuck out of SPY, which the big point on SPY, like I said, is going to be to the downside. If you look at the fucking dollar, just look at the dollar, guys. Come on. Use the dollar to guide you. I keep saying, that's what I'm trying to say today. I'm like, I don't know what you guys are talking about. Like, what about this looks bullish? The more this falls, like, there's nothing good is going to come from this shit tanking. Yeah, not like, come on. This shit is tanking. Gold's going to pump. Banks are continually failing. All this bullshit they did with the Fed, let's not do anything, guys. It's just like, in my opinion, it's a band-aid. They're doing that. They're only doing that to push ES up. They're trying to push ES up so that they can short that shit. So it's just not, isn't good for business. So, and this shit, like, let's look at the VIX today. This shit dropped. The VIX moved with the SPY yesterday. Like, come on, man. Something major is about to happen in this market. We're having a lot of unnatural price swings happening. So you could either be ready, take advantage of some of these opportunities, or you're just going to sit there and be wondering, like, what the fuck happened? That here's Wednesday. Oh, here's Thursday. Here's Wednesday. VIX started to pump right there. Boom. Just drop. Come on, man. This shit is not normal. Shit is not normal. VIX getting ready to rocket to the moon now. And then, like I said, we have the dollar just tanked the entire time. Did not even push up. Even now. Oh, it finally went normal. This was not normal. The dollar and SPY are supposed to move together like that. Supposed to inverse each other. That should have told you something's wrong. This is a divergence. So the shit that keeps moving is going to keep moving and getting stronger, and the shit that's weak is going to keep getting weaker. You can use GDX2. That's another one. It's a miner up the goals. It's an ETF. Actually has better open interest than GLD, but I'm just used to GLD. But this one's not bad. Yeah, the VIX stopped working. Yeah, sometimes the VIX can glitch out, so I'm not surprised. But like I said, guys, there'll be a lot of opportunities in the market in the next few weeks. A lot of 20, 50x, but they're not gonna fucking matter if you don't grab your fucking balls. If you want to grab your fucking balls, join Oilyboyz Trading, where we grab our balls and let our nuts hang every day. I'm out. Faith in the strat. If you're watching this, you've probably made it to the end of one of my videos. If you would like, please take the time to check out my link tree. What you're going to see is some of the links I offer, some of the services. You can book a one-on-one. You could actually join the Discord with me, where we do live streaming every day, 5 days a week. Join the wait list, or check out, I also now have a free strat course with mentorship info. So please, when you guys get the chance, check out the link.